Hey, so how can you get one of the best Amazon FBA Chrome extensions for sellers for a whole month with all the features available for under $10? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. I'm going to explain to you and show you what that Chrome extension is. And in the end of this video, up here on the screen, you're going to find a full A to Z tutorial of that Chrome extension that shows you how to use all the features of that Chrome extension for your product research on Amazon, for product validation, etc. So what that Chrome extension is, let's answer the first question. That's the Helium 10 Chrome extension, and I've used it a lot throughout my videos, and I really like using it for my own Amazon business. How do you get this Chrome extension for under $10? Here's a step-by-step process. First, click on the link down in the description of this video. It's going to lead you to this landing page where you'll be able to create a free Helium 10 account with a free trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Helium 10, I'm going to get a little commission from that, no extra cost to you. But in this way, you'll be able to support my free content. My name is Vova. It's great to meet you. I'm a seller on Amazon. I've been selling there actively since late 2016, and I'm still actively selling in the trenches of Amazon, US, and Canada. So once you are here on this page, after clicking on the link, click here on sign up for free. It will take a few seconds for you to sign up. You're going to have your free account with a trial. With the free account, you can actually try and use the Chrome extension. So for free, but then the usage is going to be a bit limited. If you want to get it for under $10 for a whole month, here's what you need to do. Once you're going to be inside your free Helium 10 account, look here on the upper right side of the screen, there's going to be the logo of Helium 10. Click on the logo and then click on plans and billing. You're going to get to that little landing page where you can upgrade to different plans. Now I'm going to show and share some discount codes that are going to save some money for you. So look, if you scroll down, there's the a la carte. So you can buy each tool individually. So if you want to invest in the extra here, which usually costs $19 per month instead of $99, that's an option. That's $19, but you're like, wait, you promised under 10. So what you're going to do, you're going to go up here and click and write down the code VOVA50, VOVA50. Click on apply. Now this code is also going to be good for the Platinum and the Diamond plans of Helium 10. It's going to give you 50% off your first month on these plans, as you can see here. But also for the Chrome extension, look at this, $9.5 for the Chrome extension for your first month. The link to the free Helium 10 account and the discounts are going to be down in the description for you. There are some other options that can be good for you as well if you want this Chrome extension. If you click on annual here, you can get up to 3 months for free. So look at that. For a whole year, the Chrome extension is going to be, instead of $990 for you, it's going to be only $171 for a whole year. That's about $14 point something per month. And I think that's pretty good. So click on the link down in the description, create your free Helium 10 account, and then get the Chrome extension. If you want to know how to use it, then click on this video up here. It's a full A to Z tutorial that shows you how to use the Chrome extension from A to Z. My best practices there, and everything explained in a step-by-step manner. I appreciate your time. I wish you a great day and great Amazon business, a lot of sales. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.